All right, folks, Wednesday morning, walking through the Willis Tower. So one of those iconic skyscrapers in the Chicago skyline. All right, so here's what's on tap today. Markets right now flat. We've got Fed minutes coming out at 2 o'clock Eastern time today. Again, a lot of focus on this report, seeing what was said in that last Federal Reserve meeting with regards to the taper, with regards to raising interest rates. Now, this Delta variant obviously throwing a bit of a curveball at us right now. We're seeing more lockdowns. We're starting to see weakness in the consumer data. Had a weak retail sales number out yesterday. On the back of that, we saw markets get hit. Stock market was down yesterday. Dollar strength. We're seeing oil trade lower. Seeing a lot of the same again this morning. We're in the red in the stock market heading into the open. Dollar right now, flat. Oil, flat. Gold, flat. Again, 2 o'clock Eastern, we have these Fed minutes. All right, folks, let's go get some today. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.